tonight through my Startracker 114 Newtonian Reflector Telescope paired with a 25 Kellner Eyepiece, a 2x Celestron Omni Barlow, and my old Samsung M30 smartphone camera. Tonight we are observing Waxing Gibbous Moon at 92.6% illumination going through its day 11 of lunar phase cycle at a distance of around 366,123 km away from planet Earth. Today is a special day as we are observing the moon is approaching closer to Jupiter. So it's a moon Jupiter conjunction night. Jupiter is right now very near to the moon, to the south east of the moon. So welcome in moon lovers. Join the live streaming. You are watching moon live straight through my telescope. These are real live view you are watching on my channel Astro Canary. Waxing Gibbous Moon near Jupiter, 92.6 illumination through Newtonian Reflector Telescope. Tonight it's 30th January 2026 and we are witnessing a special night event tonight as moon is approaching near to the Jupiter, making conjunction with Jupiter tonight. Moon Jupiter conjunction night. It's not that much close that I can keep them, both of them, in the field of view as I am using a 25 eyepiece paired with 2x Barlow, so it's very difficult. So entire moon has covered the field of view. So if you want to see the Jupiter live, I have to slew my telescope towards Jupiter. So welcome again. So let's zoom in and move towards the southern region to explore which craters are visible here. Wow, we are now looking live the southern limb of moon. Wow, see that sealer crater. Welcome in moon lovers. Let me tell you what actually you are watching is Waxing Gibbous Moon at 92.6% illumination and it's day 11 of lunar phase cycle at a distance of around 366,123 km from planet Earth. Right now you are watching the terminator shadows that exposing the craters along the southern limb of moon. Wow. This is Gazendi, Rima Gazendi and the Sea of Moisture, Mare Nubium. This crater. That shadow shows how deep this crater really is. That dark center is not a hole, it's pure shadow. These ridges are catching sunlight like spikes. Ooh, wow, wow, amazing. The shadows along the terminator are dramatic. I will timestamp it later. Let us try to see if we can see the southern mountains of Atkin Basin or not. Atkin Basin is on the other side of the moon, but you can see the glimpse of its southern peripheral mountain. Everything near this edge looks dramatic. Watch how fast the shadow change here. This is the moon's best lighting. Wow, the Sealer crater. And just above is. Let me know if you know any crater's name in this area. You are watching southern limb of moon. Anyone? Moon lover? Hi, welcome in. Feel free to say hi in the chat and let me know where are you watching from. How's the moon coming on your device screen? Let me know. Is it crisp, bright, clear? You see the Taco crater, the youngest crater on the lunar surface. The Maginus crater and the Clavius here. Just look at the Clavius crater. It is supposed to have water. This Clavius crater is ancient crater, very huge, massive crater. The shadow tells you the shape. This part hides detail until you zoom in. Just move to this part. Can you see the belly crater? I can see the Kircher, Bettinus, and Segner, and Juchius crater, the tiny craters you are very near to the belly crater. Yes, the belly crater is revealing itself. The sunlight is hitting the crater's wall. Wow, the central peak, that tiny crater. From here it looks like tiny, but it's huge. Mostly the craters having the central mountain peaks are massive craters. I am waiting for the belly crater, the huge belly crater, to get revealed tonight. The Sicard crater, you can see Sicard crater is visible. How amazing it's looking. The Sicard and the Vargentin crater. The Vargentin crater and Sicard at 92 above, at around 93% illumination, you can see these two huge craters in the southern region of moon, the Sicard and the Vargentin near the Sealer crater. Wow. And here down to the Sealer. Actually, it's in the direction of north. You can see the taco shining bright. You can see the bright ray system of taco. Wow. The Sicard and the Vargentin crater is tonight's feature of 92.6% illuminated waxing gibbous moon. These are the highlands, highly cratered area of moon. Actually, these are oldest than the darkest side. The surface is looking white because here the rocks supposed to contain the calcium and aluminium. Hi Abhishek Tiwari, welcome in to the live streaming of Moon Live tonight. You are watching Waxing Gibbous Moon at 92.3, 92.6% illumination. Hi Dan Juresti, thanks for the like number one. Welcome in to the Moon Live. And good evening to Romania, Dan Juresti. How is Romania tonight? Hi Abhishek Tiwari, welcome in. From where you are watching? Let me know in India. Which state, Abhishek Tiwari? Welcome, Dan Juresti. Welcome. So, are you enjoying the southern limb of moon? Let me introduce you to new crater that is visible tonight, and it is right in front of you. These two craters you can see, the Sicard and the Vargentin crater. The Sicard is the largest one crater you can see, and the smooth floor, dark. Right now it's looking dark floor. Class of astronomy, I have checked it. No, here I can't see ISS crossing the moon that day on full moon night. So all the best if ISS transit the moon in your location, catch it. Right now I am enjoying the Sicard and the Vargentin crater along the terminator. The Vargentin is under the shadow, but its walls are getting revealed just behind the Sicard crater. And here you see the Taco, Maginus, Clavius, the Graham burger, the most famous craters for the last 2 nights, providing burgers to my moon lovers. The name itself is burger, but we call it like burger. Just see along the edge the four dots continuously. Those are craters very near to the belly crater, the Kircher, the Bettinus, Juchis, and Segner crater. This one. Thanks for the like number 2. And see the Mare Nobium. Rima Gassendi, the Gassendi crater. Wow, amazing. The Oceanus Procellarum, also known as Sea of Ocean of Storms. The Terminator is looking so dramatic. I will time stamp it later. No, no, no. I haven't seen. If it pass, yes, here you see the Kepler. This one is Aristarchus crater. You can see the Aristarchus plateau, the high albedo crater near the Kepler. Wow, looking amazing. This trio, the Copernicus, Kepler and Aristarchus. Here, this is Mare Serenitatis. This one, the Apennine Mountains, Caucasus Mountain, Aristoteles, Archimede, the Apennine Valley, the Alps Mountain, the Plateau Crater, the Mare Frigoris, and the Mare Ibrium, the largest mare on lunar surface. The Timocharis. Wow, look here. Aristarchus. And the Kepler. This one is the Langrenus crater along the eastern edge of Mare Fecunditatis. And if you come here near the Mare Critium, you can see the Proclus crater, the high albedo, youngest one of the youngest crater on lunar surface. You can see the bright rays fanning out around the impact site near the Palace Omni. The Mare Tranquility Tatis, the landing site of Apollo 11 and the Apollo 17. The Mare Serenitatis. Hi Elvis, welcome in. You are watching Moon Live tonight. Let me know where are you watching from, Elvis. The southern rim of the massive 2,500 km wide Aitken Basin is visible as a chain of mountains on the southern edge of the moon. No worries, moon signs everywhere. You can see here live. Thanks for watching the live streaming from Estonia. Welcome in and stick around for future lunar live stream. No, it's not visible from here. The sky is not that much clear to see the Andromeda. It was cloudy here also in the evening during the sunset. As the moon is reaching its culmination, it's bright, crisp. This is Rima Gassendi near the western edge of Mare Nubium. This is Oceanus Procellarum and the Kepler crater. This is Copernicus. Kepler is a lunar impact crater. It is situated between Oceanus Procellarum to the west of and Mare Insularum in the east. A crater Anik to southeast of it. Kepler is named after German astronomer and mathematician Johannes Kepler. So the Sealer and the Kepler crater names are after the German astronomers. Yes. Okay, right now the clouds are not there in the sky of Estonia. You have a telescope. What kind of telescope do you have? I mean the aperture and focal length of your telescope. this Aristarchus. Look at. And here you see the plateau in the northern edge of Mare Imbrium. This region is highly cratered. Wow. The Sicard and the Vargentin crater. Vita is also Vita crater is also visible here. The Billy is also there. Marius. This one approaching is Rima Gassendi crater. Yeah, this one. Yes, you can see Jupiter and Alcides. Let me know where are you watching from. So let me show you the Jupiter. This is Jupiter and its four Galilean moons. The Europa, Io is at the top, and here three ones: the Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. All four are aligned with Jupiter. So, Anya Shaders, have you seen Jupiter? You can see its four Galilean moons. You posted a picture of telescope where always now see the Jupiter live. It's very near to the moon tonight. The moon is enjoying the close proximity with Jupiter tonight. Wow. Jupiter is looking amazing. Okay, your channel. Okay, we'll see. So, what is the aperture of your telescope? Always the Callisto, Ganymede, Europa, Io. These are four largest moon of solar system. The Ganymede is the biggest moon. The second one is the Titan of Saturn. The third one is Callisto. The fourth one is Io. The fifth one is our moon, Luna, that is live tonight on my channel Astro Canary. And after that, sixth one is Europa. Seventh, eighth, maybe Triton or Titania. Then Rhea and last Oberon, I think. No, it was worth 269 euro. Okay. Hi Ania Sedus. Where are you watching from? My name, you can call me Astro Canary. So shall we move to moon back? So this is Jupiter, very close to the moon tonight. Now we will move towards moon. Now back to the moon. This is moon. Yeah. So just now you have watched Jupiter and moon very close to each other live. Here the time is 8:02 p.m. here. Let me know what's time there right now. From where you watching from? What it is time there? Moon close up, wrinkles, ridges, and zero Photoshop. When moon shows too much texture, craters are exposed. No filters, just craters. Moon texture through a backyard telescope. This is live astronomy you are watching. This is the moon's rough side, rugged. The southern limb you are watching live through my telescope. Wow, look at that Cicad crater. Near to is Argentine crater. The Vita is approaching. Vita crater. Yes, Vita. And then Billy crater. Hi, those who have just tuned in, let me tell you, you are watching 92.6% Waxing Gibbous Moon live through my telescope. Wow, look at the Terminator. It's looking dramatic. The lots of craters are getting revealed tonight. The C card back to it is Argentine crater, the Vita crater. Yes, here you see. Yeah, here is the Vita crater and the Gassendi, the Rima Gassendi near the Mare Nobium and the Billy crater. Yes, the Kepler and the Aristarchus and the Copernicus. Wow. The plateau, the Mare Imbrium. This is Mare Frigoris, the Aristotle and the Eudoxus, Alpine Valley, Caucasus Mountain, Apennine Mountain, Aristoteles, Archimedes, Timocharis. Yes, I can see the Orion constellation, the Orion belt stars, and Orion nebula is visible through my naked eyes. This is the Terminator. We are we are looking for anything crossing the Terminator should leave a shadow trail. Yes. We cannot see Atkin Basin from here. However, southern rim of this massive 2,500-kilometer wide basin is visible as a chain of mountains on the southern edge of the moon. The Kircher, Bettinus, Juchesius, Segner, and the Bally crater you have seen just now along the Terminator. This one is Sicard, and near to it is Wargentin. And here comes the Vita. The Proclus. See the bright rays system, the fanning out around the impact site. These dark flat plains are lunar mare. These are nothing but frozen basaltic lava. Of ancient volcanic eruptions. Its surface looks darkened because of the material that its rock contains is basalt. TERE. In which language you are asking? Tere. Hey Alvis, which language word you are asking? In which language it means hello? In Estonian language. I am from India. Our language is Hindi. In Hindi, TERE means tere. We call it tere, means tera, tere, matlab yours. It means yours in Hindi. Tere. Mere, mera, MERA, mera means mine. Thanks for the like number 5. Hi on air. Welcome in. Let me know where are you watching from on air. Hi Dallon Chapman, welcome in to the live streaming of Moon Live through my Startracker Newtonian Reflector Telescope. Let me know where are you watching from and also tell me what's time there right now. Thanks for the like number 6. Thanks, Dallon Chapman. Thanks for liking and subscribing. If you love calm moon, if you enjoy calm moon watching and a little bit educative and curious and humor, then you are in the right place. Oh, you are from Russia, Crimea, Kerch. Thanks for watching the live streaming from Russia. So, dobro pozdravovat na Luni stream. It's for you. So, welcome in, Russian brother. Now you are an official moon lover as you have just tuned in to my channel Astro Canary. That shadow shows how deep this crater really is. Wow. This crater only looks flat until the light hits it. Every rim here tells an impact story. These ridges are catching sunlight like spikes. This line is where all the details live. The Terminator. See that shadow of that crater. It's so mysterious. Wow. It's time stamped. Worthy. I will do it later. Wow. See just above the Nobium, the crater line, the Terminator shadow revealing the craters and the highly cratered region of moon. Yes, this part. Just wait for it. Wow. Watch the shadows of that crater. It's making it mysterious. And that huge crater is Secad crater. The Wargentine crater. The Vita. Here it comes, the Vita. Vita and Billy. Now the Kepler. You can see the Billy crater, the Kepler, and the Aristarchus at the bottom. Here. This is Aristarchus plateau and the crater Aristarchus. If you come here, yeah, the Mare Imbrium, the largest mare on lunar surface, the plateau crater. Wow. This one is Copernicus, the massive crater on lunar surface. Look at that bright ray system of Copernicus. These are ejectors fanning out around the impact site. And here it's the high albedo crater Aristarchus. These are youngest. And here it comes. Yes. Wow. The dogs are howling. These are highly cratered region of moon. The southern limb you are watching, the Sicard crater, the Mare Humorum, the Gassendi, Prima Gassendi, the Vita. Hmm. The Bailey crater, the Kepler Aristarchus. So once again, this is the Terminator. The moon is slowly approaching towards its fullness. It's around 93% illuminated now. The Clavius crater, the Groenberger, Maginus. Yes, this is Terminator line. That's where shadows reveal everything. Watch closely. Anything crossing it should leave a shadow trail. Hmm. The Clavius, the Maginus, Mortis, Gruenberger, Blancanis, Scener, the Sealer crater, the Vargantine, the Sicard, the Mare Humorum, Vita, the Sandy, and the Beely, the Kepler, Aristarchus, and this massive one, Copernicus, the Timocharis, the Archimedes. Yeah. Eratosthenes, Timocharis, Montes and Carpetus, Euler, Lambert, Leverrier, Helicons, Sinus, Iridum, Aristarchus. Okay, moon lovers, that's it for tonight. Until moon calls me again, good night.